Big invoices create friction. Customers want your product, but the upfront payment hits their budget or approvals and deals stall, discounts creep in, and finance ends up negotiating one-off arrangements over email. Payment plans and installments are a cleaner way to handle that, especially when they're built directly into Salesforce. In this video, we'll cover what payment plans and installments actually are in a Salesforce context, how they work step by step with a native app like Kulturra, and the key benefits for your customers, your sales team, and your finance team. Let's dive in. What is a payment plan or installment? In this context, a payment plan or installment plan is one invoice or contract amount broken into multiple scheduled payments managed automatically. Instead of one invoice for $50,000 due immediately, you could configure 5 installments of $10,000 each due monthly or in whatever cadence you want. Inside Salesforce, that means you are not creating 5 separate unrelated invoices by hand. You are defining a billing schedule tied to a deal and letting the system generate and track the installments for you. This is exactly where a Salesforce-native billing layer like Kulturra comes in. How payment plans work in Salesforce with Kulturra. Let's walk through a straightforward example. Step 1. Start from the opportunity or contract. First, you close the deal in Salesforce. When the opportunity or contract is marked closed won with the full value of the sale, you then create a single Kulturra invoice broken down into a payment plan or installment schedule based on that deal. You define total amount, number of installments, frequency, monthly, quarterly, or milestone based, start date, and end date. Kulturra then creates the individual installment records in Salesforce, each with its own due date and amount, all tied back to the same account and opportunity. Step 2. Decide how the customer will pay. Next, you choose how those installments will be collected. Manual pay. The customer receives a link for each installment and pays as they go. Or auto bill pay. You capture a card or bank account once and automatically charge it for each installment on the schedule. Either way, the important part is that each installment is a real Salesforce record. Step 3. Let the schedule drive billing and collections. Once the plan is in place, you let the schedule run. As each installment comes due, Kulturra sends a payment link or triggers an automatic charge. When payment is successful, the installment is marked paid. A payment record is written in Salesforce, and any downstream workflows, fulfillment, access, renewals, run as usual. If a payment fails or is missed, Kulturra can send reminders, retry charges for auto bill, and create tasks or alerts for your team to follow up. No one is manually tracking dates in a spreadsheet or trying to remember who is on which custom arrangement. The plan itself is the source of truth. To summarize, payment plans and installments take one contract amount and spread it over a structured schedule of smaller payments. In Salesforce, the best way to do this is with a native billing layer like Kulturra that creates and manages those installments as real records. The benefits show up in faster deal approvals, better customer experience, and more predictable cash and reporting for finance. If you want to see what payment plans and installments would look like across your own pipeline, you can find Kulturra on the Salesforce App Exchange or use the link in the description to book a walkthrough of your current process and where structured plans could help. That's it for now. See you next time. Cheers.